fine, fine.
These are the guys that help us launch.
Yeah, well, the ugly one is Rudy.
Is Rudy?
The bad one is Joseph.
Boknai.
Good morning, YouTubers. Welcome to day 2 of the FLW Cast for Cash at De Hoop. So for most of you will have probably seen the video before this for day 1. So yeah, we're at day 2 of the FLW Cast for Cash. Yeah, let's see how. Up, he wasn't on and then he chased it again. That was weird. Off camera, caught this little one. Jean's also caught 2 little ones. We need to find the big ones. It's not so big, but he's... Oh, Jean, he's gonna...
Don't kick too much, Jean.
He's right there. Please get him. There, he's off, he's right there. Sean! Sean!
The monster!
Look at that.
Yes!
Woo! Well done, boy. That was right next to that.
In there.
He was sitting there.
Oh my god!
Good move, bro.
I wanted a big fish this weekend. It's not the one I'm looking for, but this is what, 2 point something? This is what I caught on day 2, guys. Way over 2 kilo. I haven't weighed it, I'm gonna leave it for a weigh station, but this is gonna help us a lot. Yes! Fish on. Come John, this is what we need. Where? Yes! Yes!
Okay, now another 2 like that.
Good. This is gonna help us. Yes, boyki. Now we on a roll. Now we on a roll. So guys, day 2 was not easy at in the morning. We started panicking. We actually thought we weren't gonna get fish, hey? John? Huh? And yeah, then we got into this bay and I threw a Guggen bait, bandito bug, Texas rigged, pitched it into a tree and picked up a 2.1 kilo fish. So yeah, that brought up our morale and gave us a little bit more confidence. And then Jean picked up another one just under a kilo, and then we managed to get a few of the small fish into the boat and went in and weighed in a 4.3 kilo bag, which actually got us 2nd place on day 2. So not a bad running, with yesterday us getting a 3rd place and today getting a 2nd place. Helps us a hell of a lot for the end of season standings. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that video, and yeah, thanks for all the support. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and catch you guys on the next video. Peace.
Caught in the crossfire.